In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive files missing or not visible, how to find them. If a file suddenly seems to vanish from your Google Drive, don't panic. In many cases, the file isn't gone, it's just sitting in the trash or bin, and you can quickly verify that by following a few simple actions. I'll walk you through the exact path to check, starting from Gmail, so you can replicate this in any browser where you're signed into your Google account. Begin by opening Gmail in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal use. In the top right corner of Gmail, click the grid icon, the 9-dot Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. Select Drive from this menu to jump straight into your Google Drive. Once Google Drive loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Trash. Depending on your region, this may appear as Bin, but it's the same location. This is where Drive stores items you delete, and it often holds files that were removed accidentally, moved by someone with whom the file was shared, or swept there by synchronization or organizational changes. Files in Trash are typically kept for a limited time before being permanently removed, so it's worth checking here sooner rather than later. Inside Trash, your goal is to bring suspected items to the top and narrow the time window to when the file went missing. Use the Modified column to sort by the most recently changed items. Click Modified to reorder the list so you can quickly skim the latest deletions and moves. This is especially helpful if you notice the file disappearing today or within the last few days, because it often surfaces near the top. To focus your search even more, set a date range that matches when you believe the file went missing. Adjust the dates to cover the day or week you notice the change, or customize a broader period if you're unsure. Tightening the time frame filters the trash view, so you're only seeing items that were modified or removed during that window, making it much easier to spot the file you're looking for. That's the full check. Open Gmail, use the apps grid to get to Drive, head into Trash, sort by modified, then filter by date. By doing this, you can quickly confirm whether your missing items were moved to Trash and pinpoint them based on when they disappeared. If you do find what you're looking for, you'll know exactly where it ended up and when it moved, which makes resolving the issue much faster.